When life gives you guavas, you make pastalitos. It's a little pastry I would get from a bakery called Porto's Bakery. It's a cream cheese filled, guava filled pastry. It's delicious. So let's get right into it. Hope you enjoy. This pastry utilizes two fillings, the guava filling and the cream cheese filling. I started off making the guava filling to give it time to set up. You can also buy guava paste on Amazon or at your local Latin market. But if you have an abundance of guava, you can make it. I started off with quartering my guavas. Then I grabbed the largest stock pot I had and simmered some water, dropped in a steamer basket and steamed the guava for 15-ish minutes till they were fork tender. Transfer the steamed guava into a bowl and with an immersion blender puree. Take a fine mesh strainer and strain the guava. The end result should yield a smooth puree. Discard the pulp, seeds, and skins of the fruit and save the puree. Weigh out equal parts guava puree and granulated sugar. Cook on medium heat, making sure to stir the bottom and the sides of the pot to ensure even cooking and no burning. Keep cooking until it's a thick consistency. I used an ice bath to test the consistency. You drop some of the filling into the ice bath, fish it out, and if it sets up, it's ready. Prepare a square or rectangle dish by generously greasing the bottoms, sides, and corners. Pour the guava filling into the prepared dish and let it set up overnight. The cream cheese filling recipe is 436 grams of cream cheese, 2 egg yolks, save the whites for later, 320 grams of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start with creaming the cream cheese till it's smooth and lump-free. Make sure to scrape the sides, bottom, and paddle attachment. Add the egg yolks, and sift the powdered sugar and add it to the mixer bowl till it's combined. Take the set up guava paste and cut it into 1/4-inch strips. Cut those strips into 1.5-inch squares. Now that you have the two fillings prepared, it's time to assemble everything. You'll need a few things: some puff pastry, rolling pin, a ruler, some egg whites and a pastry brush, some flour for dusting, and a pastry wheel. Dust the surface with flour and roll the sheet of puff pastry out to 9 by 12 inches. Measure out 3-inch squares and cut with a pastry wheel. Place 12 pieces of puff pastry squares into a baking sheet. Egg wash the edges. This helps adhere the top piece of the puff pastry. Take a piece of guava paste and place it in the middle of the puff pastry. Pipe the cream cheese filling onto the top of the guava paste. With a fork, crimp the edges. With a pastry wheel, clean those edges up. Score the tops. Egg wash them with the egg whites and garnish with turbinado sugar. Bake off at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or until they're golden brown. Once baked, transfer to a cooling rack, admire, and enjoy. Again, another one that smells delicious, tastes delicious. It's a little more complicated and cumbersome to make, but it's better than driving to LA, right? Also, if you end up making the recipe, make sure to tag me at Instagram at Christina Just Tried. I hope to see you next week. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and bye-bye.